Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG Wing to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it, click I accept, tap on Allow. Now go with Send on LG Wing and Receive on an Android. Normally you want to tap all of those dots to send all of your files, but I don't want to do that, so I will just go with this song. So I have to tap on it, choose Send and click Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input this password. I will tap on the scanning icon, choose Allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out, you can go into Folder Files, in my case select Audio, and tap on Send Anywhere. As you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!